Right, my brother Iftikhar. I was told that you guys also have given ambulances in Uganda and other countries as well, right? So tell me more. How many ambulances have you given till far, and what's your plan for the future?
Inshallah, we're going to donate 25 ambulances in East Africa,
Oh,
Rwanda, Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Burundi,
okay.
and so far around 17 we have already delivered.
17.
17, Kenya and Tanzania and Uganda. You see
Okay.
here, this is the one of them,
Mm-hmm.
and this is also month of August.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to donate in 14 August.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah for our local community,
Okay.
and total 25 ambulances we're going to give path of Allah.
MashaAllah. As my brother said, 25 ambulances. Of course, one ambulance costs a lot. So if you,
Around $40,000 one ambulance cost.
my God, Manang, $40,000 is one cost,
Each
each
ambulance.
ambulance cost. And if you're planning to give 25, you can calculate your maths over there. So it's a huge amount of money. There's giving to community, serving in the way of Allah. Uh, I'm so happy to be a part of you as well.
Thank you, please.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.